Hi, I'm Destiny, founder of Trophy Beauty Academy, and this course contains the secrets to mastering permanent makeup. Eyebrow enhancement can transform someone's life and build self-confidence. Becoming a permanent makeup artist is an extremely gratifying and lucrative business. So depending on how many treatments you perform each month, this can easily be a six-figure a year business. Are you ready to get in tune with your passion for creating by living a meaningful life? Trophy Beauty Academy 100-hour certification course is heavily focused on safety and sanitation, color theory, brow mapping, and how to achieve the expert brows. Become who you want to be. Become a Trophy Beauty Pro by registering today.